In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google and ChatGPT together to complete a task. This simple guide will help you understand the process from start to finish. So, let's dive right in. First up, open your web browser and navigate to Google. You can easily do this by typing Google into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. As a tip, make sure you have a stable internet connection before you begin, as this will help in seamless navigation. Google is our starting point for getting to ChatGPT, which is our main tool for this demonstration. Once in Google, you'll need to type ChatGPT into the search bar. As you type, you'll notice that Google might suggest related searches, which can speed things up a bit if you spot the right suggestion. You can either hit enter or click on the search option to proceed. The search results will then display, and it's important to notice the key elements here. Always look for the official ChatGPT website, typically appearing among the top results. After the search results have loaded, the next step is to click on the ChatGPT website. It should be prominently featured, but always ensure you are selecting the correct website. The official ChatGPT site will usually be marked as such. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to the ChatGPT homepage. Once on the site, look for the option that says Add Photos and Files. Clicking here allows you to upload any necessary media that you might need to use or that would facilitate your interaction with ChatGPT. Uploading files can give ChatGPT more context to help generate precise information or responses for your needs. After uploading your files, type in your prompt. This prompt should clearly state what you need assistance with. Whether it's a question you have, a document you want analyzed, or an entirely different request, clarity is key. The more detailed and specific your prompt is, the better and more accurate response you're likely to get back from ChatGPT. Once you have your prompt ready and your files uploaded, go ahead and click on Submit. This simple action sends your request to ChatGPT for processing. Here's a useful tip. If you're not satisfied with the initial response, ChatGPT allows you to refine your prompt and resubmit it. Finally, after submission, the tool will work its magic and you should have your passport photo completed or task done. It's a quick and efficient way to leverage the power of AI to handle tasks that might otherwise take much longer or require more manual effort. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effectively navigate from Google to ChatGPT to complete your tasks seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process much clearer for you. Feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials.